Hello Mensa, hi people. Hello Mensa, hi people. Hello people. I'm busy with a well pump story. So you can think a little bit about this story. Okay. This plate is a steel plate or whatever. It looks like stainless steel, but it's low grade stainless steel, very rusted. See through there also. These holes are also rusted there. This is the bottom of the motor. The rest of the motor I must still go and get it from my neighbor. We stripped it there, so you can see how this is rusted, and this is also steel. So the oil is full of was full of water. More than half of the oil was water, and this plate here, this is the cover over the wiring. Look at it, and this is also steel. All the holes are rusted out. And then this, none of this is, not this soft strainer, whatever, that's not that's stainless steel. This is brass, or that is brass. And this is stainless steel, but look at that. You can blow right through that crack there. A funny crack running from there. So now you can tell me what happened there. How did that happen? Look at it. Right through. So the water also came through there. Now this is the new pump. Now this is, don't know what this is, but it's done. That plate is still made of steel, so that's going to rot up like this one. This is something chrome plated something, and at the back top there, yeah, that's also chrome plated brass or something. I don't know what that is. Okay, and that is the diaphragm of the motor. If the oil gets hot, this goes more out, down, and if the water cools down, the oil cools down, it comes up. So, but it's also hard, so it leaked here at the bottom because the motor was rusted. Now we can go to the new motor. The new motor is here. Now they changed a little bit on these motors. This plate is still steel, as you can see. So I don't know what's inside there, but this is also at the top here. It sticks to that. There. And then there's nothing. This is stainless steel, or sort of stainless steel. I'll check the old motor if it's also like this. It doesn't stick to here, but here where the field coils are, there it sticks. And then of course you have the rubber bladder inside. And then it's plastic at the bottom there instead of that steel plate. So, okay, now I'm going to do the joining of the cable in the cable connection there, waterproof story with the epoxy glue. There is epoxy glue in the back there. So let me crack on with the story. Okay, nou het ek die besigheid hier. I'm not busy with this. So I have the soldering iron connected to there into my power box. Right. Let's see if I can solder it there. Kyk of ek dit daar kan soldeer. So, 'n bietjie nader. So. Nou moet ek net 'n bietjie skoon maak deze ding. Clean it a little bit. Like so. It's very cold. Maybe I must help it a little bit with the gas. Put it down there. Kyk ons as hierdie ding kan kry dat hy soldeer. Right. Een gedoen, one down. 3 to go. Nog 3 om te gaan. Alright, let's stand a little bit back from there. Maybe a little bit higher. That looks better. Don't be so low, nie so laag nie. Go for the red. The way out. We put the red on this brown. Kom ons kyk of ons net 'n bietjie langer kry die bruin draad. Press it into it. So come on, no lovely. Stay there. Kom ons kyk 'n bietjie nader weer. Close by. Come down. So, let's see if we can do this one. Kom ons kyk of ons deur kan doen. It's winter and it's cold. Because we're in the south and it's in the suide, so it's winter now. En heel koud. Hier in die winter. Niet goed, ek hou nie van winter eintlik. I don't like the winter here. It's too cold. Okay, let's see if I can do that bottom part a little bit more. Alright, that's better. And then I'll first do all of them. And then we can do a video of it. It's weekend, it's Friday. What is the date? I don't know what's the date. I'll check it out. Nou, die 3de van Julie 2026, 'n Vrydag. So 3rd of July 2026. Yeah, so everybody is going on weekend. Alle mense gaan nou weer op 'n naweek. I think it's school holiday in die case. It's a skoolvakansie. So die werkende mense gaan 'n bietjie vakansie neem. The working people takes off and goes on holiday on a weekend. So this is now done. Now I must put this thingamajig in here, and it's too long. Yep. So I have to cut some more of this. Backwards here. Bietjie agtertoe gaan nog. So ons sal nou gou dit doen en dan kyk ons weer. It's going to cut it up to here and then check it out again. Okay, so now that looks like this. Each wire in its place. Put it in there. Push that grinder away. Right, so now I'm standing in sunlight. Staan aan die sonlig. Sit hier so. So. Now the thing must be turned. Oh, wind it opposite direction. Alright. That's better. So now there's a story. Dust and whatever else is out of there, and now this must clip onto there. Okay, now I must do some little bit of cutting here. First see how it clips on. Alright, so that Alright. Put this down at the bottom, at the onderste kant sit, so. Baie kom maak so. That one come. So. Not yet. Let's try again. Laat ons weer toets. Something is going on now hier aan die agterkant. Okay, now I have a problem here too. I'm gonna kyk of ek kan skeer dit kan. It's with the scissors I can try to get this a little bit away from this flat lead. See if this works. Right, not yet. Hier bo 'n bietjie meer. See if this works now. Not yet. Leave it at the bottom. Op die onderkant krap 'n bietjie. Oepsie. Wat? Some of the work. Alle rubbish uitkry daar. Plastic. And this side. is your problem. Come on, hook in there. Why don't I hook in there? What the heck is this matter with it? Why don't you want to hook in there? Come on now. Come on. Go on there. Clipping out at the other side. What the freaking hell is this? Piece of cheap junk. Goedkoop rubbish. Gemaakt. It doesn't want to clip on there. Jumping out there every time. Okay, just have to. I wonder what happens if I heat it up. Ik wonder wat gebeur as ek dit warm maak. I don't like this. Yeah. Ek hou nie van deze hier nie. Wat nou is dat hier? Ek het wel nie want 'n klip onto daar. Come on. A faulty clip. No, it wasn't, but come off there. Can't see the problem here. Just doesn't want to go in there. Come on now. Stay there. Wat gaan met jou ook aan? So. now. Does it look like still a little bit too cramped in. That one is in. That one is in. That one is in. But this one doesn't want to budge. This one wil nie ingaan. Yes. What the freaking hell is going on here? And that one is also. But that one went in. And this one went in. Here, it doesn't want to. Shit. Okay, leave it like that and just have to put some tape around it. Met 'n band, insulation tape om deze te draai. Right. Come on. See if this cheap insulation tape works. Kom ons kyk of deze goedkoop kleefband werk om deze ding. Hier. Maar dit help nie om te wag tot die gom uitloop is, nie. That won't help waiting until the glue comes flowing out of there. Then sticky tape doesn't want it to stick there anymore. That is the problem. Okay, good. And maybe it's going to come loose with the heat of the glue. Die hitte van die gom kan hy losmaak. Because epoxy becomes hot. So epoxy gom raak hard. Warm. Wanneer dit begin sit, want dit is 'n chemische reactie, chemical reaction takes place between different materials to be able to do this job for us. Can you see down there? A little bit. Not much, but a little bit you can see. Kan daar 'n klein bietjie sien, nie veel nie. Goed. Dan moet ek deze oopmaak hier. So, en dan moet ek die ding meer reguit kry ook. Anders put it more straight. Sun isn't hot. So, I'm just careful for this electric That is, they don't like heat. Okay, nou wat nou hier? Ek moet nou dit opknip. Dink is dit opknip. Of wat? Wat gaat hier aan? Open bags. In a plastic bag. Yep. We remove it in a plastic bag. Let's see. Oh, nearly cut it in a plastic bag. Bijna die binnekant se sak raak knip. En dit sal nie goed wees nie. Okay, let's just go right at the top. Let's see. Okay. And then you press it. See? So that pull it and let's pull it. Let's pull it. If I can pull it. Because it must come to the other side. Tear it open. Like so. Right. And then you tear it open to that side. And then you do this quickly. Get the hot nut to the other side and take this good big stuff to mix properly. The coloring must be the same all over, otherwise it's not going to work. There's just too much white. Come on now, quickly. Okay, let's do this, work this round and round. Maybe I can do that. That's it. Work it round and round. I think that's good. I think this is good. And I'm going to open it, cut it open. And then I have to pour this into there. Damn it. Oh, what a mess. see if I can get some more of this. Can you see there? Yep, you can see what a mess I'm making, causing. Right, now I must lift it up on the side to get it more level, and then my pliers, screwdrivers and everything gets whatchamacallit. Well, I'm going to have to use my finger to get this in there. And then I put this thing on. Oopsie. And then I'm popping out of the bleeder holes. And it's also flowing out of here at the back. Oh, got it. How am I going to stop this flowing out of there onto my pliers? Get a piece of wood somewhere and stick out cradle. So now it's starting to become hot, but I'm beginning om warm te word. So maybe it's lucky with it. Good luck. I have good luck with it. Miskien. Ja. En moet ek hier spuit op deze motor met 'n bietjie goeders daar. Kom ons kyk of ek dit kan doen. So, it's a long video this again. This is very long video. Ek gaan 'n bietjie van deze inspuit hier. Kyk maar of dit help vir roes. Hoop dit werk vir die roes van die plaat hier. Want dit is net 'n gewone plaat hier. It's not a rust proof. It's nie 'n roesvrye plaat hier so nie. This is not a rust free plate. It's a steel plate, so it's going to corrode here. The wires there, and then I must put some grease on the shaft there. Maybe I'll put some of this in here too. Right, and I push this down to there. And then I get a little bit of grease and I put the grease on top. A little bit of grease. Tiny bit of grease. Right. I want to see the grease. Daar's die grease. Grease. I set the grease down. And then on top of the shaft here. And then we can drink a little bit of grease as it goes into the water and gets pumped into the tank. kan ons 'n bietjie krieswater drink. Dan gaan dit in die water op. In die tank in. Goed, nou moet ek die pomp terwyl bring en opsit. Alright, nou die pomp ja. Zet ik die pomp deze op. Pomp draai, mooi, prachtig. And they changed it. The other one had this sieve around here, and this one has a sieve there. So we see what that turns nicely. Good. Go like this. Motor goes on. Don't fall over. Nou gaan ek 'n bietjie lock nut of lock stud or whatever you want to call it. Going to put it on the threads there. Ek gaan dit nou op die draad van die stud sit. Smeer 'n bietjie daar. Net so. Klein bietjie. Because I don't trust the vibration daar so onder. Ek vertrou nie die vibrasie van die motor daar onder. En dan kom los van die pomp. Daar, en die ander stad ook. En daar. Oops, too much. Don't waste my start locker. Dan laat dit hierdie rooi dingetjie. En ek sit hom daar so. Like so. And then you must go on, my dear nut. Anyway, and then I'm going to put them all on like that. Heel min mense doen die moeite wat ek doen. A lot of people don't do all this to prevent it from going bad. En niemand doen dit om te verhoed dat hy die gees gee. Soos ek. Of gou die gees gee. Ek sit net aan mekaar en sit hom in die gatpunt. I just put it together and slam it and put it down the hole, and that is it. Let's do some more rust trimming here. Rust stop or rust preventer, whatever you want to call it. It's it. Tactile type of thing. Okay, now this thing is nice and hot. Okay, now I must lay it down. Dan moet hy plat lê 'n bietjie. Nou gaan ek hom eers plat sit. Okay, now I'm going to put the plate on with this. So I must put this metal plate is also a rust thingy. Okay, the rubber is now stuck to it. Oops. So I'm just going to see if this works. Down here at the bottom. All the screw stuff. Yeah, where the rusty buggery. And in there, hole there. And the other hole there. Right. And then I put this wire like so. It comes like this. Come on now, wire. Go flat. What is the matter with you? Go like that. And why don't you want to go flat? Go like that, yeah. So, put this thing here. Screw it up. And a little bit of around that screw. And a little bit of this. And then you tell him not to go in. Dan wil hy nie ingaan daar nie. Come on now. What is the matter? Where are you? Where is it? Waar is die damskroef nou? Oh yes. Okay. Then I'm going to use the other screw from the other motor. You're wondering what's noisy? You hear something going on there? That's what's going on there. Okay. Now we know what's going on there. What's noise going on there. Okay. Nou moet ek aan 'n skroefie soek. Okay, is it recording? Right. So now I'm going to squirt it here a little bit. I took the screw off the old pump, stainless steel screw, and I'm turning it in here, dried it here in. Right, it is safe. Yeah, we hope it lasts long. There. Alright. Come on now. Good. Now that can settle. Expensive stuff there under us. They were 16 rand a tin in 1987, and I used to buy a whole box full of it. Now they had become so expensive. The corrosion preventers. More than 200 rand for one tin. Yeah, it's terrible. The prices are ridiculous. Mal pryse op deze goed. Op alles. With everything, it's too expensive. Okay, then I say bye-bye from this video. And then you can make part 2 later on. Because otherwise it's going to be a 5-hour video and it won't be able to load it. Ek sal nie hom kan oplaad nie as dit meer as 1.5 uur gaan. If it goes over 1.5 hours, I'm done. and I can't upload the video. Okay, so tot ziens, bye bye. Tot de volgende video. Tot ziens, bye bye until the next video. Video number 2 of the well pump van die wat is het? Pitpomp, boorgat pump, borehole pump. We call it a borehole pump. Submersible borehole pump, because you drill the hole. Ons boor die gat, so as 'n boorgat, en it's a dompelpomp vir 'n boorgat. So a pit, a well is a pit, and you can use a bucket to get the water out. A pit is a groot ding. It's a big hole in the ground. You can use a bucket to get the water out. That's a well. So we call this a borehole. It's drilled by a machine, drilling machine. Okay, that's the end of the story. See, the clouds are coming, and it's coming, going, and it's cold and hot, and I don't like it. Hou niks daarvan. So sien later. See you later. Yeah.